Would I buy this garage door installation business for £225,000? In this video, I reveal what I would do and why. Now, I recently saw this garage door installation business listed for sale on a broker site. It has traded for over 45 years, has 5 members of staff, and has no sales team because all the leads are generated by reviews and word of mouth. Now, the broker lists annual turnover as $385,000 and net profits between $100,000 and $255,000. Now, the business owner is asking for $225,000. So the question is, would I buy it? Well, let's start with a few red flags that I would want to know more about. Now, we've only got the details in the listing to go on, but for me, this rang alarm bells. Now, the broker doesn't give us too much to go on, but the first big red flag is that the business only turns over £385,000. Now, that might sound like a lot, but it really isn't a lot, especially when you take into consideration there are only 5 members of staff, and I bet one of those is the owner and the other one's his wife. So now we've got a business that once the owner and his wife have gone, there are only 3 people left. And there's a good chance they might be self-employed installers rather than real PAYE members of staff. So we've got a very fragile business. You take the owners out, what's going to be left behind? The second red flag, and possibly the biggest one here, is the way that the broker describes the profitability of the business. They say between $100,000 and £250,000. So which one is it? One number is 2.5 times the size of the other. Is the business making 100 or is it making 250? I reckon there's some creative accounting going on here, which means that the owner quite possibly could be putting through some cash, and quite frankly, I would never want to have anything to do with a business like that. And the third red flag is that this is an installation business. They don't make anything, they don't own anything. They have to go out and get a client, then they go and buy the materials and they install the garage doors. So really, what do? They don't have any assets in this business, and if they can't get new customers, there's really nothing left over. I think this is a business that you should stay well away from. I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. Did you pick up on those points as well? Was there anything else that caught your eye? Would you come to the same conclusion as me? Let me know in the comments below.